Okay, Mikey, this is for you. Taking a look at all the nice little portable vacuum cleaners. Here's a little porty. That'll be good for upholstery. Price is decent. A little bigger one, $129. I might have to pick one of these up. Got a orbiter there.
Is that going to fill pretty quick?
There's another one, $239, a little one with a tank on it, Corblentz. That seems like a decent deal, actually.
Really?
And we got the
Okay.
Sanitaire
We'll see how long we do, but
Mikey Symbol vacuums.
oh,
Like I said, I know you said
just
that's
keeps
packed,
packing and
but it
packing.
just keeps packing and
Okay.
packing, so. You,
Look at that,
check
vacuum
your bag
cleaner
every week
heaven.
so you can use to help out.
I'm in here bringing in my
And that way you can-
Pro Team and my Kirby for repair. They don't take it well when you jump the van over speed bumps.
over here, okay.
So I figured I'd get them repaired. Got the Dyson collection here.
These bags are so efficient.
Anyway, eat your heart out.
Vacuuming, when this is past this,
Here.
because
Here's the official Mikey's board
don't
vacuum right
blame
there.
the motors.